Have you ever wondered why this person is screaming? Actually, they aren't. This is The Scream, painted by Edvard Munch in 1893. It's not a scream from the figure, it's the scream of nature itself. In his diary, Munch wrote, "I was walking with two friends. The sky turned blood red. I paused, trembling with anxiety, and sensed an infinite scream passing through nature. The figure is covering their ears, not screaming, but trying to block out that terrifying sound. The landscape twists and vibrates around them, capturing pure emotional chaos. Later, someone noticed a faint inscription on the painting. Could only have been painted by a madman. Experts confirmed it was written by Munch himself. Today, the scream remains one of the most powerful images of human fear, anxiety, and loneliness, echoing across time.